Today, I want to show you this very cool application I found called Napkin AI. In Napkin AI, you turn your text into visuals in matter of seconds. Let's imagine that I'm working on a post about the top 10 Python libraries for finance. So I have my text in here, and I want to showcase things like Seaborn, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, etc. Well, as you can see, in here, I have a little blue icon that is for generating visuals. The only thing that I need to do is click that icon, and then Napkin AI will be starting to suggest me different visuals based on my content. I can select this more funnel chart, for example, and if I like one of those, I can also change the colors to another like this. Once I like one of them, then I click on it and it will stay in my napkin or in my notebook. Then I can go and repeat the same procedure for other different of the libraries. So let's say Scikit-learn. Again, I will go right on the blue icon and it will already suggest me some visuals, like this one of Scikit-learn. Then this one is the same, similar one as before. I can go back, for example, and I can select the one that I prefer. So let's keep this one. Now, if I like this one, then I can use the styles in order to change the style as well. So let's leave this one, for example. Now, on top of that, let's say that I already have an image. So in here, I would go and type enter, enter, and I can add an image already. So I'll select one either by uploading from my computer or just drag and drop. But let's say that I want to upload one example on how to use Matplotlib for you. So I'll go and I'm selecting one of the visuals that I want, and I will have it already in Napkin. So I can go and say enter, enter, and return the first visual and add it in here. I can make it a little bit smaller as well in order for it to fit the page. Now, we still have a couple more libraries, and I will showcase you what else you can do with Napkin. Again, generate visuals, and this time, let's try to see a couple of other options and different styles for this. So for example, for the Y Finance library, we can do this one of using Y Finance library and then selecting some pros and some cons, like dependency on Yahoo Finance or potentially data accuracy issues. Now, on top of this, you can also sketch your own different visuals. So let's imagine that for profit library, I want to do my own visual. So I'll just do a couple of enters in here and then do sketch. And in here, let's say that I want to sketch a graph that has a y-axis and an x-axis, and as you can see, it modified the line to make it straight. And let's say that I want to show a forecast like this. So again, it modified the line already for me. We can add some labels, and they forecast by profit. Now, apart from this was already the content that I wanted to create with these different libraries of Python libraries for finance. but it can also generate its own content. So I can do draft with AI, and I can add things like top use cases of AI in FP&A for data visualization. And let's change this for advices when using AI in FP&A for data visualization. So we can do continue, and then it will first write using artificial intelligence these advices. And as you can see, it's already writing some of them. And then after this, I can go ahead and do again the blue icon in order to create the visuals. So I can do this funnel chart, for example. I can do this one. And again, I can change the different styles of visuals. Let's do the same thing for choosing the right artificial intelligence tools. Now, as always, with these AI tools, the main thing is that you need to check its output before utilizing it. But for now, let's just use it to showcase to you the power of this tool. So again, I could go back and select any of these different type of visuals that it tells me that it are good for that specific use case. So for example, this one. Now, until now, Napkin AI is completely free. So jump in and try it for your different visualizations of text that you might need. I'll keep the link below in order for you to try it. And tell me in the comments how exactly are you utilizing this amazing tool, and also if you found any other AI tool that would be useful for finance and FP&A professionals. Thank you and see you next time.